How to apply for SurferCloud's free VPS trial, step-by-step guide. If you're looking to experience high-performance cloud servers before making a purchase, SurferCloud offers a free VPS trial program designed to help developers, startups, and businesses test our platform with real cloud resources. Follow this step-by-step guide to claim your free credits and launch your first VPS in minutes. Step 1. Register a SurferCloud account. To get started, create a SurferCloud account through one of the following methods. Email registration. Sign up using your email address and set a secure password. Google login. Quickly sign in using your existing Google account. GitHub login. For developers, you can log in directly via your GitHub account. Sign up here, https://passport.surfercloud.com. Speech balloon. Step 2. Contact our support to apply for the free VPS. Once your account is ready, you'll need to contact our support team to request a free VPS trial. There are 5 convenient ways to reach us. Telegram, http://www.surfercloud.com/blog/telegram. WhatsApp, http://www.surfercloud.com/blog/WhatsApp. Support ticket, https://console.surfercloud.com/uaccount/work_ticket. Contact form, https://www.surfercloud.com/contact. Live chat, website https://chat/65966DC18D2618015F4F231/1HJ9PPF4N. Our team will respond promptly to verify your request and assist you with the setup. Step 3. Get connected with your dedicated account manager. Each SurferCloud account is assigned a dedicated account manager who will contact you directly. After reviewing your intended use case, the account manager will grant free trial credits, typically ranging from $3 to $50, depending on your project type and usage requirements. Tip: please apply for credits according to your real testing needs to avoid unnecessary waste. Step 4. Use credits to launch your VPS. Once you receive your trial credits, log into the SurferCloud console and purchase any product at the regular price, either hourly or monthly, such as uHost or uLiteHost. Note: free credits cannot be used for promotional or discounted plans. You can start your virtual machine in just a few clicks and test its performance in real-world scenarios. Step 5. Check out SurferCloud's hot deals. While the free credits apply to standard pricing, SurferCloud also runs seasonal promotions where you can enjoy massive savings on selected products. Here are some of our best-selling plans currently available. uLiteHost. Promo link, https://www.surfercloud.com/promos/uLiteHost. uHost, new users only, introductory deal. uHost all users, price-locked savings. Start your free VPS trial today. Experience the flexibility, stability, and performance of SurferCloud's global infrastructure. Whether you're testing an app, deploying a website, or running a business workload, our free VPS trial gives you the perfect starting point. Apply now and get your free cloud credits today. https://www.surfercloud.com